This is from the Ocean Sound Story. This is from the Rain Sound Story. This is from the Brook Sound Story.
Hello, my name is David from LectroSound, and I'm going to spend the next few minutes introducing you to the LectroFan, fan sound, and white noise machine. What sets this sound machine apart from the rest is that the LectroFan uses an algorithm to generate each sound. There are no recordings. It produces one continuous string of sound, which means there is no looping to distract you. Since there are no memory restrictions, it is able to give you 20 different sound options. There are two categories for the sounds: fan sounds and white noise. Each have 10 unique sound variations. Many sound machines fail to incorporate fan sounds despite countless sleepers who are using actual fans to drown out intrusive noises. Fan sounds are great for creaky floorboards, loud parties next door, and in general the typical sounds that would wake you up. Also, it provides a soothing, consistent sound to fall asleep to. White noise is better for deep bass, tinnitus, traffic, and speech privacy. Fan sounds and white noise mask unwanted noises by making those sudden changes in ambient noise much less noticeable. With 20 different sounds to choose from, plus adjustable volume, LectroFan is capable of adapting to any environment. LectroFan was designed with simplicity in mind. That way you spend less time fiddling and more time sleeping, or whatever you need to do. On the front of the device, there are 3 rocker buttons. Simply press on or off. Choose your preferred sound by pressing either fan sounds or white noises, then adjust the volume by pressing up or down. Each time you press fan sounds or white noises, the device will skip to the next sound. Please take a moment to listen to some of the sounds. LectroFan also is equipped with a 60-minute sleep timer. Each time the sleep timer button is pressed, it adds 60 minutes to the timer. Once turned back on, it will pick up right where it left off on the last sound used. LectroFan is powered via USB cord, which makes it great for travel. It can be plugged into laptops, battery packs, and even taken overseas. The multi-band parametric EQ speaker compensation ensures great, realistic sound quality no matter the volume level. I hope you enjoyed this quick introduction to LectroFan, and I hope you have a wonderful day.